whose sum is 12 and the absolute value of whose difference is 4 are the roots of equation. Which equation among these four? So here, these are the equations: x square minus 12x plus 30, x square minus 12x plus 32 equals to 0, 2x square minus 6x plus 7 equals to 0, and 2x square minus 24x plus 43 equals to 0. So out of these four, we have to find the equation. Now sum is 12 and absolute value of the difference is 4. Absolute value means let any number be bigger, and let if you subtract it, if you get a minus sign, make it plus. That's the meaning of absolute value. So what is given? A plus b, let a and b be the numbers. So a plus b equals to 12, right? And a minus b equals to 4, absolute value. Solve them, therefore add them. What you get? 2a equals to 12 plus 4, 16, a equals to 8, and b equals to, then substitute it, you will get b equals to 4. Now 8 and 4. Now check 8 4 is 32. Means what? You will have to check in the equation which has 32 at the end, because that only will be the answer. So b is the answer. So x square minus 12x plus 32 equals to 0 is the equation whose two numbers whose sum is are the roots of, means these numbers are the roots of this equation only. Okay. Next, if the roots of the equation a square plus b square into x square minus 2b into a plus c into x plus b square plus c square equals to 0 are equal, then find the relationship between a, b and c. Here, they are equal. Equal means yes, here they are real. Because if they were imaginary, they wouldn't have been given at the 10th level. So they are real and equal. That's why b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Right? Where did we get this from? See, the roots of the quadratic equation are x equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now if the roots are real and equal, then this b square minus 4ac equals to 0. That's the basic condition. So b square minus 4ac equals to 0. What is b over here? 2b into a plus c, and a is what? A square plus b square, and c is what? B square plus c square. Okay. Let's solve. Therefore, instead of b, to watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.